Today, a judge ordered Jonathan Quiles to be held on no bond exactly 7 months to the day that Ayanna Sawyer disappeared. It was the first time he went before a judge after being indicted on 2 counts of murder. Quiles is the only suspect in the disappearance of his 16-year-old niece, who he's also suspected of getting pregnant. Action News Jack's Lorena Inkland is live in downtown, and Lorena, Quiles appeared pretty calm in court today.
He did, Tanika. He sat in the front row here as they were calling up inmates here, the judge was, and he looked back a few times at our camera and also to the area where the family members were sitting. 4 members of Ayanna's family were also here, and they sat quietly also inside listening to the proceeding. Police believe this is the man who holds the answers to finding 16-year-old Ayanna Sawyer and her unborn child. Jonathan Quiles sat expressionless at court today. Prosecutors moved forward with charges despite not knowing where Sawyer's body is.
There may have been physical evidence that we're not yet aware of.
Sawyer's relatives were also at the hearing. They didn't want to talk. One man just told me that his shirt says it all. It read, "Justice for Ayanna." On December 19th of last year, Sawyer was seen leaving Terry Parker High School. Almost a month later, investigators scoured a landfill. And on January 31st, Quiles was named a suspect. Thursday, he was officially indicted on murder charges.
Well, you do have motive, and that is the motive, that she was pregnant with his child, and he didn't want that disclosed.
And then there's this detail we found on the JSO transparency page. The address listed under incident location is for Ace Pick-A-Part on Main Street, which is where Quiles worked, was later arrested, and where Sky Action News Jax spotted detectives searching an SUV.
When you see an address where an incident has occurred, typically that's where they believe the offense occurred.
Quiles is due back in court on August 7th. You can count on Action News Jax to be there and follow this case closely. Reporting live in downtown, Lorena Inkland, CBS 47 Action News Jax.